Welcome back to my channel. This is CoinCode. I'm DMO. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can make over $500 from a crypto leverage trading exchange. Before I start, shout out to Strong Tower TV, T-Express, Arewa Forex Trader, and Miyabishi TV Show. Thank you very much for your support. I really appreciate it. I do a random shout out for all my subscribers, so subscribe to get mentioned on my next video and turn on notification to get notified when I drop my next video. So now let's move. This exchange I'm talking about is an alternative to the Binance exchange, and the exchange is Bybit. And I'm going to show you how you can make over $500 in bonuses when you sign up with the link in the description below. Now let's look at the differences between Bybit and Binance. On Bybit, as you can see, 10 coins are available for trading, while on Binance 236 coins are supported. Why most people prefer Bybit to Binance is because the takers fee is less than that of Binance. As you can see, the takers fee is 0.05%, while Binance is 0.1%. You can also see the makers fee, which is 0.025%, while Binance is 0.1%. A lot of traders use Bybit to trade because it is very easy to sign up. You only need your email address and your phone number to sign up. And you can see that the supported method for deposit on Bybit is crypto. So when you want to trade on Bybit, you need to send your crypto, basically USDT, from Binance to Bybit. As you can see on Binance, there are different methods by which you can deposit. You can also watch that video at the top right corner to learn how to trade on Binance. Now this last section here now is the main part of this video. On Bybit, there are a lot of ways you can earn bonuses every time when you register on Bybit. And not just that, you as a new trader on the exchange, there are several bonuses you will benefit from. Now let's go over to Bybit. You will see that you can get up to $50 worth of bonus when you sign up on Bybit. Also, you can see different bonuses here. Scroll down, you will see social media type of bonus. This is when you interact with their social media, you will get $5 extra bonus. When you scroll down, there are a lot of bonuses you can take advantage of when you sign up with just your email or your phone number on Bybit. Now let me show you how you can make over $500 on Bybit. Before we do that, let's go to the trading platform. As you can see, this is how the Bybit trading sections look like, very similar to that of Binance. You can see the different order type right here. There is a limit, there is a market, and there is a conditional order. The limit is when you are providing liquidity to the market and it is the cheapest to trade. While buying at market order is buying at the instant after you impute the quantity you need. And when you move to the conditional order, the conditional market is just like you are making a condition on a particular price movement. That is just how the order section look like. You can also trade with leverage on Bybit. Click on this, you will see that you can trade with up to 100x leverage. Leverage allows you to make more money with your little capital. Please note that using leverage to trade is very risky. You should only trade if you understand what you are doing. One more thing, you know that when you use isolated margin to trade, it takes portion of your available balance to open a position. And when you use cross margin, it takes the entire amount of your available balance to keep your position open. So these are just the different margins when using Bybit, just as you can see on Binance. On Binance also, there is cross and isolated margin. If you want to trade perpetual contract on coin margin or USDT margin, you can use Bybit. This is coin margin inverse perpetual contract. You can trade BTC, Ether, EOS, and XRP. Now when you use the USDT margin, you can trade all the available coins here on Bybit using USDT. If you place any trade using the limit order or any order, when you scroll down, you will see all your orders on the order book. Now this is how you place your trade using Bybit, exactly as Binance. Now since you have known how to place trade, let's move over to the reward hub where I can show you how you can make $500. Now this is the reward hub. When you scroll down, you will see there is a section called the referral program. This means that for every successful referral, you and the person you refer will receive an extra $10 bonus. And when you do so, you will also have a chance to win additional $500 in bonus. Now this is a big opportunity Bybit is giving you when you register on Bybit. And also you can use my link to register and you will get your bonus. If you have any question, you can use the comment section and I will reply ASAP. That will be it for this video. See you on my next video.